Currently have the bolens with the hood off because I am starting to tear it down, clean it up. This thing sat for, I think it was about a year and a half. Wasn't fired at all. They put gas in it and fired right up. But in the time that it was sitting, it accumulated some friends. That's always nice to have crap down in your fuel line. Normally I would have a pair of vice grips crimping these off, but my vice grips decided to get up and walk off. So we are going to just stick it down in here, the fuel tank, for now. So that's the reason I'm taking it apart, because of the fact that there is another bolt hiding from me. I thought there would be. I got to looking a little closer at this thing, and it actually has PTO. Can't get it to engage. So I'll have to look at that and figure out what's going on, but can run a tiller off of it in the back, which would be nice. And I'm also going to replace the muffler with the old muffler off the wheel horse after I get the innards out of it, because this thing is just, it just looks like crap, and the baffles in it are rattling around and everything. So get this bolt off. There we go. Smallest little bolt. Okay. Let's see if we can get this cover off now. Oh yeah, right off. Oh, nice. Ew. Throw that over there. Don't know what the hell that is. Looks like it was a crimping, or a crimp off some kind of wire or something. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Oh yeah. There's a whole bunch of schmagma up in there. Nice. Very nice. Thanks, mice. Appreciate it. Really? Oh, wow. Well, there's the culprit. Lovely. Mousage. Little bastard never had a chance. Well, I was hoping that maybe there was a whole bunch of gunk down around the starter, which is, I was hoping was making the reason why it was sounding like crap, but I don't think that that's the reason. So also gonna get a new stator for this thing because the wire's so freaking corroded. Need to get new 1/4 inch fuel lines. Yeah, so I think there's other, yeah, that's definitely some more mouse. That's great. Yeah, that's mouse body corpse. That's great. Okay, get that blown out of there. Take the carb off, clean it. So, time to fire up the new compressor for the first time. Yay! My grandfather gave me this because him and my grandmother are moving out of their house, and he's auctioning a whole bunch of stuff off. But he's been holding this for me for years. I don't exactly know how long, but told me he was holding it for me when I got my own house, which I do. Yay for me. So I'm gonna pause it and bring you back to the action here in a minute. Okay, Car compressor going. Now we're going to blow this magma off the motor. Nice. Beautiful. Get out of there, mice. Okay. Well, we got it all blown out. Looks a lot better. No more mousage. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, get this crappy muffler off. Look at how to get this off because it's stupid and I don't want it on there anyway. It's just covering, getting to everything in the rear of the motor. So, we're going to do that. And then I don't know what else I will do today, but I will see. Okay, just took the valve cover off. Take a look at the innards to see what kind of condition they were in. Everything looks pretty clean. So, I don't think that's going to be an issue anytime soon. See any buildup. Very clean for an older motor. Okay. Okay. Got the muffler off, and I discovered that this is aluminum pipe, or well, piece of black pipe with threads already on it. Actually, I think that's just a steel pipe, but this makes it a lot easier than what the wheel horse was for me to put a 90 on here, heat that up and bend it up so it's straight a little more, but put me a 90 on here, perfect place for a stack. Just as easy as that. The wheel horse was a pain in the ass. It was a 3-week adventure trying to get everything pieced together and tight so it would stay, but this one seems like it'd be pretty easy. Well, we got the muffler off, so might as well fire it up and see how shitty it sounds with it while it's off. Temporarily got the fuel line hooked back up, piece of twine, that way it doesn't hit the flywheel. And let's see what she does. Shut up, dog! Make sure everything's back. Single cylinder for you. Rattle. It is loud too. And she's out of fuel because I shut the fuel off. Emptied the bowl. Hush. Alright, well, find a way to get that muffler on there, or I might go look at what piping I have and see what I can do about a stack. Sweet. Okay, took and found this 90, slapped it on there. straight. I don't know if I'm going to go that route yet. I mean, I can straighten it out, but we'll just have to see. Got a good tone to it with it on there. So, I don't know.